Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create a typing text animation effect like this. So keep watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, for first time, we need to install plugin Essential add-ons for Elementor and click activate it. And we go to page. I have page like this and type the word fancy text, drag here and delete prefix text and suffix text and go to fancy text setting for alignment left like this and go to style, click fancy text style and go to typography family like words like this and adjust size maybe 60 like this, weight maybe bold and then we can pack string for string, type the word, second string, third string like this and we can go to style, fancy text style. Oh, sorry. We can go to content and fancy text setting. We can select style type, style 1 or style 2. Style 1 like this and style 2 like this. We can publish and look at that. Wow, amazing animation. The one with background are only available on User Pro. The link in the description below. And style 1 like this, style 1 like this, only for free. Okay, link in the description below.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.